Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Windows 11 build and making a restore point. This protects you if a change misbehaves. Once done, back up the registry or export the specific keys you will edit. Now, open Task Manager with Ctrl+Shift+ESC. This lets you restart Explorer safely. You will terminate Windows Explorer briefly. Doing that prevents UI conflicts while you change taskbar visibility. Make sure no important dialogues are open, because killing Explorer will close them. Now, run Regedit as administrator. Navigate to hkcu/software/Microsoft/Windows/current version/Explorer/Advanced and locate the taskbar keys. You will either create or modify a word like taskbar C or use experience depending on your build. Setting values to 0 can hide or shrink elements. Once you save the key, close Registry Editor. Then restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager or sign out and back in to apply the changes. This forces the shell to reload with your new taskbar visibility settings. Finish by opening Settings Personalization taskbar and verify the visibility toggles reflect the registry change. Adjust pinned icons and system tray options if needed. If the taskbar remains invisible, restore the exported registry key or use the restore point you made earlier. This reverses the tweak safely. Also, check for third-party utilities or shell replacements that can override Windows settings. Uninstall or disable them before retrying. If problems continue, restart the PC in safe mode to troubleshoot further.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.